Namaste students. Today we are going to start with the next topic, very important topic of integration, that is integration using by parts. If you remember, when we started integration, I wrote three ways: integration by substitution, integration by partial fraction. Both things we have done. This is integration by parts. Very important rule. You say the product rule of integration. We did product rule in differentiation, remember? U into V rule. First function as it is, differentiation of second, plus second as it is, differentiation of first, remember? Now this is the product rule of integration. Very important. Alright, very important rule. If you get the product, suppose the u and v be two given functions, and it is a product of u and v. How to integrate if you have two functions, alright, and the product is given in integral. The product is, the integrand is in the form of product of the functions. What is the rule? The rule says u as it is, the first function as it is, integration of second. What is the rule? If it is the product of u and v, first function as it is, integration of, or you say into integration of second, first function as it is, integration of second minus the integral of differentiation of first function into integration of second and the integration of it. क्या करना है, ध्यान से सुनो. First function as it is, integration of second minus integral, उसके अंदर क्या करना है, differentiation of first function into integration of second. जो यहाँ किया था वही integration of second into dx, because there is a sign of integral outside, dx will come. Alright, again first function as it is, integration of second minus integral, differentiation of first into integration of second into dx. Alright, integration of second into dx. Now, say in differentiation there was no problem. When it was u into v, you can choose any as first function, any as second function, because we can differentiate everything. Alright, few functions which some point is given, it's not differentiable at this point, that's a separate issue. But if it is a function is defined, so we can differentiate. But in integration there is a limitation. Because since we have started integration, again and again we are saying we can't integrate everything. Alright, the question has to fall under a specific form which we have done. Then only we will be able to integrate it. ठीक है? This is clear to everyone? अब यहाँ पर very important is how to choose the first function and how to choose the second function. You can't just start the question on your own, otherwise you will not be able to solve it. So there are certain rules to choose first function and second function. You have to follow it. Then only you will be able to solve it. The first, if these two functions u and v are different type, are of different type function, these are different functions, clear? तो क्या करना है, then we will use one word called ILATE, ILATE. ये जो सीक्वेंस में फंक्शन है, इसी सीक्वेंस में फंक्शन को फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ रेट करना है. क्लियर? I stands for inverse function. You know what are inverse functions? Sin inverse, cos inverse, tan inverse. Alright. L stands for logarithmic function. A stands for algebraic function. T stands for trigonometric function and T stands for exponential function. इसी सीरियल के अंदर हम लोग फर्स्ट सेकंड फंक्शन चूज करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई हैव अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ इनवर्स एंड एल्जेब्रिक, तो इनवर्स फंक्शन विल बी ट्रीटेड एज अ फर्स्ट फंक्शन, एल्जेब्रिक वुड बी ट्रीटेड एज अ second function. For example, I have a combination of algebraic and exponential. So algebraic would be treated as a first function, this exponential would be treated as a second function. Is it clear? Alright, this you need to keep in mind, the word ILATE. It is applicable when it is a product of two different type of functions. The functions are inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential. If constant comes, that comes towards end. It doesn't matter. Constants are always fine with integrals. Alright, now, and the second rule, ILET is clear to everyone? Alright, the second one, if two functions are such that we do not know the integral of one of them, हम u and v, हमें इसमें से एक की इंटीग्रेशन नहीं आती है. Is it clear? अब देखो, u as it is है, u की क्या हो रही है? डिफरेंशिएशन. तो जिसकी इंटीग्रेशन आती है उसको सेकेंड फंक्शन लेना है. अगर दो फंक्शन ऐसे आ जाएं, एक की मुझे इंटीग्रेशन आती है, एक की नहीं आती, तो जिसकी आती है वो सेकेंड फंक्शन लिया जाएगा, बिकॉज सेकेंड फंक्शन की इंटीग्रेशन हो रही है. Is it clear? So these things you have to think, you know, why. One is ILET which has to be followed. उसके अलावा कुछ ऐसा कॉम्बिनेशन, कुछ ऐसा आ जाए, सेम फंक्शन आ जाए, क्लियर, कुछ भी ऐसा हो सकता है, तो जिसकी इंटीग्रेशन आती है वो होगा सेकेंड फंक्शन. ऑलराइट, ऐसा हो सकता है दोनों की ही इंटीग्रेशन हमें आती है, तो जिसकी इजिली निकल जाए उसको सेकेंड फंक्शन. क्लियर? बिकॉज इंटीग्रेशन हैज अ प्रॉब्लम, अदरवाइज बिकॉज यू गेट स्टक सम टाइम. तो जिसकी इजिली इंटीग्रेट जिसमें से कर सको उसको सेकेंड फंक्शन अज्यूम कर लेना है. ऑलराइट, फाइन. इफ वन ऑफ द इंटीग्रेशन आई डोंट नो, सो उसको इंटीग्रेट सेकेंड फंक्शन लेना है जिसकी इंटीग्रेशन आती हो. दोनों की अगर इंटीग्रेशन आती है तो इजिली जो हो सके इंटीग्रेट उसको सेकेंड फंक्शन की तरह ट्रीट करना है. एंड इफ वन, अरे बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट, अगर सपोज द क्वेश्चन इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ एक्स एंड इनटू साइन एक्स. एल्जेब्रिक फंक्शन एक ऐसा फंक्शन है जिसकी डिफरेंशिएशन खत्म हो जाती है. सपोज एक्स स्क्वायर की एक बार हुई 2x, फिर 2x की अगली बार 2 हो गई, तो खत्म हो जाता है. तो इफ सम फंक्शन हैज वन फंक्शन एज पावर ऑफ x, इट शुड बी टेकन एज अ फर्स्ट फंक्शन. अगर कॉम्बिनेशन में एक फंक्शन एल्जेब्रिक है उसके साथ कुछ भी है, फाइन, वैसे दैट शुड बी टेकन एज अ फर्स्ट फंक्शन x. वैसे भी वो इसकी कैटेगरी के अंदर फॉलो करेगा, अपने आप हो जाएगा. यू डोंट हैव टू स्ट्रेस ऑन दीज पॉइंट्स मच. You have to keep this thing in your mind. ILET. इसको follow करो, you will be able to solve the questions. Is it clear? All right. So we will start the questions with it. So that the things become more clear. How to apply the by parts, as it is a very important rule. Let's start with the examples. Read the first example. I have to integrate x cos x dx. X into cos x dx. If you remember the word, what did we say? What do we need to follow? We need to follow ILET. We have to follow in this sequence which functions combination and which has to be taken first. This is the combination of algebraic and trigonometric. Algebraic and trigonometric. That means algebraic would be first, trigonometry should be the second one. So let's start it. What is the rule? First function as it is. Alright? First function as it is. Integration of second into minus sine of integral. Differentiation of first into integration of second. And then, alright, so let's solve it. Integration of cos x. What is integration of cos? Integration of cos is sin x. Differentiation of x, that is 1, no need to write, into integration of cos, that is. Alright, clear to everyone? Now still till the time this integral sign will not get over, you have to continue with the question. Alright. Now in integration we have only sin x. So what is the integration of sin x? Minus cos. So it will become plus, and that is the integration. This is how children we have to apply u into v rule. First function as it is. Integration of second minus sine of integral. Differentiation of first into integration of second. Alright, when you do so many questions, when you practice, then we don't need to write it separately like this. Directly we can solve it, not right now. First of all, we have to practice the questions properly. Let's take the second one. It is a combination of algebraic and exponential. If I see the order, algebraic should be first, exponential should be the second one. So let's start. first function as it is, integration of second minus sine of integral, differentiation of first, integration of second, solve. Integration of ex is ex only. If there is some coefficient of x, that will come in denominator. Sine of integral, differentiation of x square, that is 2x. Integration of ex, that is ex. Till the time this integral will not get over, we have to continue with the question. Again, if I see in the integral, I have got a combination, product of two functions. That means I have to apply this product rule till the time single function is left in the integral and we integrate and the question is over. Again you will do it. Which function? Again algebraic and exponential. So because there is a minus outside, girls, you need to be careful. So I am putting a bracket. First function as it is, integration of second minus sine of integral, differentiation of first, integration of second, and then we have to. Alright, start it. If you want to open the brackets later on, let's open later on. 2x, integration of ex is ex, differentiation of 2x, 2, integration of ex, ex. When one function is left in the integral, that means the better is 1. That means we are going to come to the answer. I am just opening the bracket, 2 outside. Now what is left? Only ex in the integration. Solve it. Integration of ex is ex. Now we can write plus c, because wherever we integrate constant plus constant plus constant, ultimately it's going to be one constant. So better write towards end. Alright. So ex can be taken common. Fine. So this is how we are going to apply unit. Very easy, but only you have to choose the function wisely. That is important. Now look at the third example. If I look at the third example, I have only log x. There is no other function, and moreover I don't know the integration of log x. I know log x is whose integration, 1 by x का integration log x होता है, that I know. But log x की integration तो अभी तक हमने की ही नहीं, और जो किया ही नहीं है, I'll not be able to solve it. So whenever you get such kind of questions, log x आगे आएगा, inverse trigonometry, suppose sin inverse x आ जाए, तो always you have to do into 1. What do you have to do? Into 1. Now 1 will be taken as a constant, and constant हमेशा यहाँ पर last में आता है. Clear? The constant is last because constant is no problem at all. So which is my first function according to Eilert? Logarithmic should be the first function. So first function as it is, integration of constant. और एक और रूल किया था, अगर सपोज यहाँ मैं constant लिखती भी नहीं हूँ, then also we did, जिसका इंटीग्रेशन आता है उसको सेकेंड फंक्शन, तो मुझे 1 का इंटीग्रेशन आता है, so that I'll take as a first second function, minus integral differentiation of log x into integration of 1. Alright, solve. Integration of 1 is x. Integration of 1 is x. Differentiation of log x I know, that is 1 by x. Integration of x is x and x cancels. So here we have x log x. Integration of 1. What is integration of 1? Integration of 1 is x plus c, because integration is over. So I can take x common from here. So that is the integration of log x. So you don't have to remember integration of log x. If integration of log x comes, you have to do by product rule, or you say by parts, taking into 1 and then solving it. Now see the next one, fourth example. I have to integrate x square cos square x. Integrate x square cos square x. Now if I follow this islet, algebraic should be first, trigonometric should be second. And when I say first function as it is, integration of second cos square का integration, वो तो आता नहीं. Children, keep one thing in your mind. When are you doing some part of integration, suppose some forms of integration, you can't forget the previous ones. Clear? We did integration using trigonometric functions, so we know we have to convert. I can only integrate cos, sine, tan, secant, cosecant, or maybe secant square, secant into tan x, few forms which we have done. Cos square की integration नहीं आती है. So first of all, it has to be reduced. So questions would be combination of different forms. ऐसा नहीं बाय पार्ट्स करें तो सिंपल तो इस बाय पार्ट्स का क्वेश्चन आ जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं होने वाला. ऑलराइट, सो यू हैव टू थिंक, डोंट जस्ट जंप कि अच्छा प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू फंक्शंस, लेट्स स्टार्ट बाय पार्ट और हो जाएगा क्वेश्चन, ऐसा नहीं होने वाला. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व दिस cos square. We know the formula, cos square will be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Solve it. 1 by 2 I can take out, x square. So two integrals separate. Alright. So this I know already. Increase the part by 1 divided by increased part. This I don't know, so that I will be solving it separately. Then we will put the value in. Let's solve by 1. Fine. So algebraic first, trigonometric second. So first function as it is, integration of second minus sine of integral, differentiation of first, integration of second, and this dx, because there is a. Fine, solve it. What will be integration of cos 2x? Integration of cos 2x will be sine 2x divided by the coefficient of x. Sine 2x divided by the coefficient of x. Here, differentiation of x square would be 2x. Integration of cos 2x, sine 2x by 2. Still it has a combination of two functions, x into sine 2x. So again, I have to apply u into v. There's a minus sign, so always put a bracket first of all. So algebraic first, trigonometric second. First function as it is, integration of second minus sine of integral, differentiation of first, integration of second. ये dx इसका, and there's a 1 outside for this. So solve it. Integration of sine 2x would be minus cos 2x by divided by the coefficient of x. X की differentiation 1, no need to write. Differentiation integration of sine we have done, minus cos 2x by 2 dx. Open the bracket. It will be minus minus plus, there is a 1 minus, it will come out, and 1 by 2 I can keep out. So what is left now? Integration of cos 2x, integrate. Sine 2x by 2 plus c. Alright, so we have the integration of I1 now. Put the integration of I1 here, and that would be the answer. X by 6, 1 by 2, we can take this constant out and then we can simplify. Is it clear? Little lengthier but easy, but always keep in mind you can't forget the previous integrations forms done. So if it is a trigonometry, you have to apply some trigonometric formula, then only you will proceed. Let's see the next question. If I see the next one, I have to integrate secant cube x. I have to integrate secant cube dx. Now, I don't know the integration of secant cube. Alright. If I know the integration, I know the integration of secant and I know the integration of secant square. So why not to split it? If I split it, so both are trigonometry. So from there I will not be able to choose from kindness. But we did the rules when I wrote the rules there. If you have two functions and both are integrable, I know the integration of both. But pick up that as secant whose integration I know easily. अब secant की log secant x plus tan x. इसकी secant square की integration tan x. So I will be taking this as second function जिसको integrate करते हैं. Is it clear? Integration वाले function को वो लेना है जो easily integrate किया जा सके. So I am taking this as first function and this as second function. First function as it is. Integration of secant, into integration of secant minus differentiation of then next time onwards I will be writing it directly because you have done questions now. Integration of secant is tan x. See, this is easy, no? That's why we have chosen this as second function. Differentiation of secant x into tan x, and integration of secant is alright. Now see, this is tan into tan square. Secant into tan square. So that means my question is not becoming easy right now. So I need to think. Children, integration is all about thinking. Different kind of questions you would be getting. You will have to think. You have to practice. If you practice, you will be able to solve all such kind of questions. Can I write this secant, this tan square as secant square x minus 1? Multiply inside. Write in the separate integrals. Alright. Now can you see what is the integration of secant cube? From where we started, we have reached there, and I'll put it equals to I. It happens in many questions. Alright, there will be some proper form also becoming. You're not able to integrate secant cube. So what happened, we have to think in such a way so that I get back to the original integral. Then I'll put in equals to I, and do I know the integration of secant x? Yes, we know the integration of secant x. We have done under substitution method. Secant x plus tan x. I will come this side, it will become 2i. I as it is, I need the value of I. This will come this side. So integration is all about practice and thinking. You have to think what to do, alright? Then only do not start doing the question directly. Think how I can make my question easier. Okay, let's take the next example. Integration of sine log x dx. Integration of sine log x dx. Now it's only one function, sine log x. So I don't know even integration of it. So I'll take another function with it, that is always 1. Into 1, no problem. Now I'll integrate. I know the integration of 1, so this will be my first function and this will be my second function. Directly I am writing it now. First function as it is. Integration of second. Integration of second means 1 की integration. 1 की integration क्या होती है? X minus sine of integral. Differentiation of first. Differentiation sine log x की differentiation. Sine log x की differentiation. पहले किसकी differentiation होगी? Sine की. Cos log x. Chain rule. Into में किसकी differentiation होगी? Log x की 1 by 1. You have to integrate. Sorry, differentiate. Sine log x की cos log x. Into में log x की differentiation would be 1 by x. So it is and into integration of second. Integration of second already आ चुका है. Now again the problem. I have cos log x into 1. Again I'll apply by part. See, you can't either. Question should come here or it should finish. Cos of log x की मुझे फिर आती नहीं है integration. So into 1 से again I am solving it in the same way. When there is a negative outside, be careful. First function as it is, because I don't know the integration, so I'll keep it as first function. Integration of 1 would be x minus sine of integration. Cos log x की differentiation. अब cos log x की differentiation. Cos log x. Cos की differentiation क्या होती है? Minus sine log x. Log x की differentiation 1 by x. So it will be minus sine log x into 1 by x. Integration of second, that is this. Fine. I'm opening the bracket. Minus x cos log x. X and x cancel. Minus minus plus, and there's a minus outside. Oh, there we reached. So what did we get? Again the question, sine log x, and the value is I. Put the value. From these two terms I can write. I am writing it plus c also because integral is over. X common. And that's I minus, I will go that side. Bring this to that side. And the whole thing. Is it clear? So such kind of questions also you get. Fine. Where we come back to the original one, where then we replace the value by I and then we solve it. Further we'll do more questions of this in part 2 of integration by parts.